In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and analyze Excel and CSV files using Google's NotebookLM to streamline your research. I'll begin by clicking the Create New button on the homepage to start a brand new project. After the notebook initializes, a window appears where I can choose my sources. I'll click on the Upload Files option and select a CSV file directly from my computer. For this example, I'm choosing a file called AI Overview. While the file is uploading in the sidebar on the left, you'll notice the notebook automatically updates its title to reflect the specific content of the data. Once it's ready, I'll click on the source guide to see how NotebookLM has summarized the spreadsheet. It provides a strategic overview, key definitions, and even breakdowns of how different AI systems work, all pulled directly from the rows and columns of that file. To make this notebook even more comprehensive, I'll click the Add Sources button again to bring in more information. This time, I'm going to pull a document from my Google Drive. I'll browse through my recent files and select a document that outlines key features and benefits to complement the data I already have. As the second source finishes loading, I can toggle between them or view a combined summary in the main chat area. I'll open the new source guide to review the highlights and structured notes generated from the second document. This process allows me to turn raw data and spreadsheets into an organized, interactive research hub in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.